I was just sniffing your butt. And look out, be nice.
Baby.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Say cheese. Say cheese.
Remember?
Fuzzy monkeys.
She's the one with the cleavage. Okay.
Where's my puppy? Oh, there she is
Right
somewhere.
there. She's been like prancing around.
Oh,
bouncing.
sweet baby. See, I can't. She's a moving target.
Bad, Phalo. Just black and white.
Hello. There she is. Not very photogenic. Just a black hole.
They always walk away when you have it. Did you see that?
Come here, baby.
She left with all 4 legs.
Uh-oh. Here comes trouble.
Hello. Oh, she's having a lot of fun.
Oh, yeah. She's a party girl.
Yay! She's so cute.
Zozo.
Oh, that's so adorable.
You need to zoom in. Can I zoom in? Come here.
Oh!
Oh. She like pounces on it and stops.
Push the dog stick. No, the phone seat, bring that. I saved the photo and you got to give it.
That's fair.
She's going to play and they're going to watch. Hurry. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Phalo's figuring out that she's not.
She's an only child. She knows how to play by herself.
Where did it go? I don't think she can see that far.
No, she can't see, I'm
Go
telling
get
you.
the ball. Go get the ball, Phalo. Indigo. Go find the toy. Where'd he go? Good! Get the ball! Yay!
Bring it here, go. Bring
Get
it.
the toy. Go get the toy.
She's going to jump on you.
Phalo's coughing.
Hi, baby.
Run tight.
Hi, baby.
He's coughing.
Indigo and Phalo and Sam and Lottie.
Zoe, come here. Zoe.
How are the Herreras? Are they doing okay still? Crazy, overworked. Yeah.
Let's see your face.
Adorable.